Alright, here are the other elevators at the Sutter Stockton garage. Whoa, this one's like... Oh, these are a little different. These ones are not as fast.
No.
Yeah. Pretty rough.
Aggressive too.
Yeah. There's a dollar bill up there.
Oh, $100. Take your pick. It's your lucky day.
Free $100 bill if anyone wants it. Whoa.
Take it or leave it.
Oh, you got the... I think that's an old Lancer back there. These are pretty rough.
These are aggressive.
Yeah.